It's almost impossible to tell that it's a metal boat, but you have the incredible strength and lightness that comes along with a metal boat.
Welcome back to YachtLens, and welcome back Brian Krantz from Inside Passage Yachts. We have a treat for you today. We are getting aboard the 33 Coastal Craft ProFish that is going to knock your socks off, and Brian has been kind enough to offer to take us through.
Super excited to show you this boat. You can see it's powered with twin 400 Mercury Verados, 4-stroke engines. Just an incredible power plant for this boat. Lots of them done with it very successfully. Let's take you inside and check it out a little bit. If you're not familiar with coastal crafts, these boats are all aluminum. Everything is finished. It's almost impossible to tell that it's a metal boat, but you have the incredible strength and lightness that comes along with a metal boat. This is all flexi teak, very easy to maintain, very, very strong, UV resistant, lots and lots of storage. This boat was purpose built for fishing. You can see the Burnowin belay table, all the Burnowin receiver mounts. You can plug in cleats, you can plug in rod holders, you can plug in downriggers, you can just whatever you'd like, as well as totally set up with some of the finest outriggers for tuna fishing. Beautiful rod holders on the back of the boat, a wonderful fully equipped aft station that has a large screen and a joystick control all here, so it's easy to operate while you're fishing. Coast Crafts even put in side gate, easy to walk on and off. Can't quite get it open because of the cord today, but very, very nice for stepping off on the dock if you're parked alongside. If you notice, all these welds have been ground and faired, so you can't hardly tell there's been a weld made. This is smooth sheet all along, is again, all aluminum. Let's step inside and notice the dogs, sea dogs on the door to really make it solid. This is a really strong and seaworthy boat. Coastal Craft is famous for their interiors. The woodwork is all done at the factory in Gibsons, BC. One of their signature things are the tables, and each owner sits with the carpenter who designs and makes the tables to pick the woods and the colors that they specifically want. A very durable, not leather, but as comfortable and as soft as leather. Microwave oven, nice deep sink, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, and another signature item for Coastal Crafts are the side-by-side fridge and freezer. So even though it's an under-counter unit, it really has a great amount of space. This particular boat has the awesome Force 10 propane cooktop and propane oven. Really nicely done. This is kind of one of their favorite drawers in a Coastal Craft. You can put wine bottles, spice racks, cups, all kinds of great things. Amazing storage capabilities. If we move forward, let's show you great passenger seating here. Lovely helm. Again, 2 large screens up on top, and the controls are very easily accessible with armrests that move out of the way. This boat's equipped with zip wake trim tabs, the Mercury joystick controls. What you won't be able to see is it does have a Seakeeper gyro and also a water maker in this boat. Pretty over-the-top build.
Just phenomenal. The fit and finish, just can't overstate it.
It's just excellent.
Absolutely.
It's just excellent.
Gorgeous.
We'll pop you down into the forward stateroom. A very large berth forward here. Plenty of room for 2 adults to sleep super comfortably. Excellent lighting. Beautiful finishes on all the side walls. And then we've got a gorgeous head. I love the 2-tone darker wood inside the head here.
Is it wet head?
Yes, the shower doubles. There's a drain there, but the sink is also the shower head. I used to be the sales manager for Coastcraft, and I know they're committed to massive storage. So you've got a hanging locker here and plenty of cubby space for all your gear.
Yeah.
This is only a 33-foot boat, and that's a lot of nice space. They're also quite committed to access to all the equipment on the boat. We'll let you peek in here. There's 2 hatches in the floor. Both of them go in to give you access to all the equipment on board. You can jump into the area and you can see fuel filters for the generator, the washer, fluid, lots of the wiring all properly labeled, and also both the freshwater and holding tanks, all with real simple, easy access. If you're not going to be down in there, your technicians will be, and this makes everything so much easier for them. There's another hatch aft we can poke into too, and you can see a lot more of the equipment from there. Let's show you this aft compartment here. You notice all the flooring material is grain matched across the hatch. Just shows you the attention to detail in the fits and finish. That is not common. Here we've got the generator access, different pumps for the water maker, all easily accessible, as well as offering a considerable amount of even more storage. Not only does it have great access, a beautiful forward cabin, this 33 ProFish by Coastal Craft has a very nice guest berth. Take a peek into.
That's a surprise.
A great bed for couples if they're newlyweds, but otherwise a very large single.
But also finished beautifully.
Finished just incredibly, with a gorgeous storage and a hanging locker area. Nice lighting, beautiful wood details over the ventilation fans. These fans are solar operated and run continuously just to keep the air circulating through the cabin. Oh, the rod holders along here. There's 3 sets here and 3 sets forward for a total of 6 rods on the inside. I'll show you up the sides. Coastal Craft does a beautiful job of making nice high rails as you walk forward, giving you a proper amount of space for walking forward. And as we go forward, you can see there's handrails all along the side. So if you're up here in rough weather, you've got a great place to hang on. They've done tie-down strap bars, so you can tie gear up here if you've got crab pots or other fishing accoutrements you want to keep outside, as well as a full tender with motor and a davit for launching. As we move up farther forward, you can see the electronics. We've got GPS antennas, radar, trumpet horns. This is part of the Mercury system for the joystick that allows you to hit a button and hold your position, not only your heading, but your exact position. It's very, very nice if you need to. Let's say you're coming into a fuel dock and it's crowded. You can just hit the button and sit and wait and relax until there's a spot for you. This brow is quite a signature of Coastal Craft. It shields the sun excellently and gives you great visibility. But it's important to note, this is one sheet of aluminum and it is smooth as it could possibly be. I've had welders, aluminum workers, and they tell me there's no way that's aluminum. They're just amazed at the level of the finish that's on there. You've got your hatch for your forward stateroom, so you've got a way in and out in case something's not going well. And a very heavy duty anchor and anchor roller system. Buttons to operate it with your feet right here. Coastal Craft's cleats they hold big lines. They're all welded aluminum, welded into the decks, incredibly strong. And these have a little bit of a patina on them. If you really want to get yachty, some polish on that, and they will gleam like shiny stainless steel. Could walk right back this side. All the side windows, it's worth noting, are operable. So if it's a hot day or you're trying to communicate with someone up front, you can open up the windows. Diamond sea glaze, one of the highest quality windows we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Even the logo is all aluminum All the lettering, aluminum. Nice set of steps for when you're climbing up to work and do the davit. Makes it very easy to get up and down.
The attention to detail is just unbelievable.
It's really quite impressive.
Brian, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to get us aboard. It is always a pleasure doing a walkthrough with you, and it's just a real honor to get aboard this boat. Coastal Crafts, if you're not familiar with them, you should be.
Absolutely.
They are absolutely beautifully crafted boats, and we're fortunate to get aboard. We will have links to all your contact information, links to all the information on this boat and the other boats you have listed in the description below. Leave comments for Brian, leave comments for us. Let us know what you think of this outstanding
Thank you very much.
Northwest boat.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.